do you need to do value engineering? In other words, do you have to check or recheck that your design made by your designer or architect at a certain level of the design process has the optimized value you are looking for? Hi, my name is Sam. I'm a senior designer at ISD Architects. In this video, we're going to talk about value engineering or value analysis. First of all, I want to answer, do you need value engineering or do you need value analysis throughout the process? And if so, where do you need it or when do you need it? What is the best time that you need to do value engineering? Now, in order to answer these questions, I would say yes, you do need a value engineering. The second answer is no, you don't. Now, how do I resolve this conflict? It is easy. If your architect does not do a value checking or a cost analysis or value engineering, in other words, then you need a third party to do the value engineering for his or her design. Now let's review these qualities very quickly. A good design would have a good quality, a good appearance, a good use of useful life or life cycle, and a good functional performance. In other words, all of these items would be optimized in order to reach the maximum value that you're looking for in your design. If any of these have been decreased or increased in order to save cost, then this would be a process of what we call value engineering. But the best person to do value engineering, as a matter of fact, and in my view, is this person, is the architect who designs the building for you. It doesn't really matter if it's a small addition or a residential or a clinic or a hospital or a large commercial project. Value engineering has one and the same aim. It is to create most value of the design and resources and money that you have. If you're an investor or a builder, then you would most probably try to minimize or reduce your capital construction cost in order to reach these goals. If you're a landlord, however, you would probably try to maximize the efficiency of your systems and the efficiency of your spaces, because after all, you are probably a landlord and you have a tenant, and due to the fact that tenants pay the bills, they probably don't care about certain aspects and care more about other aspects. In other words, there is always an element of ownership of that building that play a factor in creating that value engineering process. However, if you're an owner, let's say you're an owner of your home, and you really care about creating maximum functional performance, maximum life cycle for your building, meaning good material, superb fixtures, whether in the bathroom or in the kitchen, superb stove, and all these equipments, and high efficiency furnaces, for example, then it really matches, because it will add up to the usefulness of the building for a long time. For these people, probably the turnover would be 5 years, 10 years, who knows? They're going to resell the building, so they really don't factor this as a priority. The appearance, maybe the appearance for these people would be much more valuable than these people. So the appearance could be jeopardized by a homeowner who wants maximum useful life or life cycle, or optimized functional program, or quality of materials and finishes, but not the appearance. For these people, it's again, there are different preferences. So in short, I would like to conclude that you don't need value engineering, which is, by the way, you pay for the third party to do it. And the best time to do that, whether by a third party or by the architect, the best time would be schematic design. That means when the design is still on the drafting table. It's still, we're still using markers, we're still using ink, we're still using pencils and colors to produce these. So changing them, optimizing them in any of these qualities would be very easy, would be very less costly than when you reach all the way to the end of the process, almost you're at the building stage or pre-construction or at the permit level, and then you start to use value engineering, which would be highly costly. It's best be done at the schematic level if your architect uses optimized methods in all of these, in the appearance, aesthetically, in terms of quality, of specification of materials and systems, in terms of thinking about the life cycle, and also the construction systems, by the way, and also if he or she does think about the functional performance. If you have any comments, I would welcome them. Visit my website at www.isdarchitects.com. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon.